What happens when Yamaha brings back a legend with more muscle, more tech, and zero compromise? You get the 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4, an absolute powerhouse reborn. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the future of performance machines, one ride at a time. Design. The new VMAX doesn't just nod to its heritage, it stares you down. With a bold, aggressive stance, sculpted air scoops, and an updated LED lighting setup, this bike demands attention. Yamaha's kept the muscular cruiser vibe alive, but with tighter lines and a more modern finish. It's a head-turner in the best way. Performance. Under the tank is where things really get wild. The 2026 VMAX is powered by a refined 1,700 cubic centimeters V4 engine, now tuned for smoother torque delivery without losing its signature punch. Twist the throttle, and it's all there: instant, relentless power. Yamaha also updated the chassis for better balance and cornering stability, making it more capable than ever on twisty roads. Features and technology. Tech-wise, it's loaded. You get ride-by-wire throttle, multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and a brand new TFT display with smartphone integration. It's everything you need to control the beast, or let it loose. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 is more than a comeback, it's a statement of power and precision for the modern rider. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked this video, hit that like button, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more high-performance deep dives. Catch you next time.